Have you ever wondered how time is standardized across the globe? It's all thanks to Greenwich Mean Time, or GMT. GMT is the time at the prime meridian, an imaginary line that runs from the North Pole to the South Pole through Greenwich, England. We use GMT as a reference point for time zones worldwide. Think of it as the master clock that keeps everyone synchronized. Before GMT, every town set its clocks based on the sun's position. This caused confusion when people traveled or communicated across long distances. GMT solved this problem by providing a single universal time standard. It became particularly important with the development of the telegraph and international travel. Today, GMT is still used as a reference point for many time zones and for coordinating events around the world. Imagine a world without time zones. Traveling across a country would mean constantly adjusting your watch. Zone time was created to simplify timekeeping across large regions. The Earth is divided into 24 time zones, each spanning 15 degrees of longitude. Each zone observes a uniform standard time, which is usually offset from GMT by a whole number of hours. For example, Eastern Standard Time, or EST in North America, is GMT-5, meaning it's 5 hours behind GMT. Zone time ensures that clocks within a particular zone show the same time. This system makes it easier to schedule transportation, business operations, and communication across different locations. Can you imagine the chaos if every city within a country operated on a different time? Before the standardization of time zones, people relied on local mean time. This system was based on the sun's position in the sky. When the sun reached its highest point, it was considered local noon. Local mean time varied slightly from place to place. Even within the same town, there could be minor differences in time depending on the exact location. This wasn't a major issue in the past when life moved at a slower pace. However, with the advent of railroads and telegraphs, the need for a more standardized system became apparent. Today, while we still acknowledge the concept of solar time, we primarily rely on zone time for our daily lives. Section 4. Time in our lives, how we use these systems. We use these timekeeping systems every day, often without even realizing it. When you check your watch or phone for the time, you're looking at the time in your current zone. When you travel to a different time zone, you adjust your watch accordingly. These systems are crucial for international communication, travel, and commerce. Imagine trying to schedule a business meeting with someone on the other side of the world without standardized time zones. GMT, zone time, and local mean time work together to create a seamless system of global timekeeping. This system allows us to coordinate our lives, connect with people around the world, and navigate our increasingly interconnected world. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with others. And write your thoughts about this fascinating nature life in the comment column below.